to try to put the cross pieces on a 2009 Santa Fe, and it's supposed to be the same for 2007 through 2012. So you might want to get up closer here to get a better shot of this. So I already did this one, but it was basically in here. Took a little screwdriver, wedged it underneath and pried up, and this popped out. So there's two pins that hold it into place. So now we're going to move over to the other side and do the other side. A little scary because you don't want to damage the car. So put a little screwdriver way down in this corner. Kind of pry up. Spot. Put a screwdriver right there. Damage it. Okay, pause that video for a second. Just wanted to get something to put underneath here so we're not prying against the vehicle. So I used actually a close pin, but it should work. There we go. Once that is out, should come out. There we go. So as far as I can tell, that's the hard part. So then the next thing you have to do is take the antenna off so the pieces can slide in. It just threads in. It threads out, I guess. There we go. Take these off of here. This one off of here. And then just slide this in. That's what they say. And there's an arrow on here that says that it's pointing to the front, so you know which direction to go. I wonder if these have to be up. There's one. Kind of got to push down a little bit. This is a little clip here. Try to do it evenly, I guess. That's pretty straightforward. And then the instructions say to take a look at the clips. The clips need replacing. The kit that I bought came with extra clips. So maybe we'll put those in. Just to make sure we don't lose our pieces. So they just slide in. Pretty simple, actually. Back in, line that up, get a little is that? Thread your antenna back on. And adjust your roof pieces according to what kind of roof carrier you have. And that is it. The end.